What's up guys, my name is Cody Buffington and I have the channel Exploring with Cody, traveling the world, and today we're meeting up with Todd and exploring.
What's up guys, it's Laura Reid and I have a travel and lifestyle channel on YouTube and it's just Laura Reid with 2 Ds.
We're doing a private tour today. We're at the meat market. We got to get our own food. It's just like the market in Coron, but smaller. So we got to get our food and then they'll cook it for us on the boat. So yeah, we're here with Exploring with Cody and Laura Reid. I met them on Naked Island the other day. So they're joining us on our tour. That should be fun. We're here in Sohoton and it's almost an hour and a half to 2 hour ride here. Then we got to wait in this chaos for another boat and I'm not sure where we're going, but it should be cool, so we'll see. Good thing we got Bang here that speaks the language because we're just lost. As usual, things are just chaotic. I don't know what the hell is going on here. It's crazy. Alright, so I guess we're going in some caves and we gotta get wet. So GH5 has to go away.
Whenever I'm with you, I am alright. There's something about the way you make me feel inside. I'm counting down the days till we fly away. Heading to the sun, only you and me. Don't wanna waste another day being stuck here in this place. No, I wanna hold your hand in mine, watch the sunset in your eyes. Baby, I want us to act like we are 22 right now.
We are in the Jellyfish Lagoon.
Just let go, lose control, play songs on the radio.
No, but I found a shop, which I like.
This could be magical. Whoa, whoa. This could be magical. Whoa.
Big audience here for the droning session.
Driving narrow streets in a rusty car, leading to the sea, think we're getting close. We should take a pic, baby, strike a pose.
Alright, so we are at a cave and we're going to do a train to get through this thing. It's so hard to swim though, you can barely move. So they're going to pull us through on our backs, floating I guess. So it should be interesting.
Act like we are 22 right now. Just let go, lose control, play songs on the radio. This could be magical. This could be magical.
Hiking through a cave with bats and then jumping off the platform into the water. Let's go!
We got a squat
stopping at a beach here. This water is so clear, look at that. So yeah, it's a great tour. We did some weird things, swimming with jellyfish, going through caves, barely hitting our heads, climbed up this cave with some bats, and then jumped off a little platform. And now the beach. Then we got a 2-hour boat ride back to the port. Get that sunset. All right, 2 hours going through rough water, getting full of salt. That was pretty crazy, but we're back.